Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola X40 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So firstly, remember one rule, only one rule. Never fill up your storage over than 70%. Because if you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. When you fill up your storage over the 95%, your device will very slow. So don't fill up your storage, remember of it. The second aspect can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So sometimes you need to remove all apps from the RAM in this way. This way you will free up your RAM. And the last step you can do is to remove junk files. Just open Files application. This is the native app, and here you will see clean button. And here, as you can see, I have no junk files right now. But if you will see here clear junk. And using this button, you can clean junk and really bad files from your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.